Hi, my name is Taiwo Balogun, and I welcome you to Agro Investment Opportunities. And on this platform, this is the platform that we have been waiting for. A lot of people have been chatting me up to ask how far about the program. We did a brief version last week, and explained the purpose of this program, what the program stands for, and what you should expect. And also, I said that we are still test running some things, and we hope to start to launch fully very very soon, either next week or shortly. We'll come up by God's grace. We'll launch fully, and I also want you to know that it's going to be an audience participatory program that you can call in, you can drop your question, and by God's grace, we'll be able to answer your questions. It's a program that we intend to link you up with investors. I mean farmers, the existing farmers. We intend to link you up with investors, and like I said last week, that the purpose is to open you up to some cool agricultural investment opportunities in Nigeria and Africa at large, and also to raise a new generation of agripreneurs in Nigeria and Africa, and also to raise tomorrow's agri-billionaires and unlock the Nigerian soil wealth through innovative, sustainable agriculture. And today, I just want to quickly share some things with you. I'm not going to waste your time. It's a quick one. And I want you to please, while we are waiting for people to join this live broadcast, you can go ahead and share this broadcast. Let me see if I can share. Let me see if I can share. Let me see if I can share. If it is something, let me see. Though I cannot do much, but I can share with my some of my friends here. Let me see. Okay, okay, okay. So now, help me to share this video. Let us know what is happening. Oh, Asuni Lady Z. Welcome to Agro Investment Opportunities with Taiwo Balogun. So you can help me to share this video. Let's see what we can do. And then, like I said, it's going to be a quick one. It's a quick one that I just want to share some things with you because we are still test running. Engineer Babatunde Obe, welcome. We are still test running some things and hope to launch out fully shortly. And also, I can say Kami Pels, God, welcome to Agro Investment Opportunities. A lot of people are waiting for this program. Like I said earlier, so many people have been chatting me up, asking how far and how we can take the program to the next level. Now, I want to quickly share with you what you need to put in place before you go into agriculture. The number one thing that you need to do is to understand your personality. You need to do a self personality check, or what I call personal SWOT analysis. Agriculture is meant for everybody, but it is not everybody that have the zeal like Lady Zeal. It is not everybody that have the zeal to go into agriculture. And you see, I used to tell people you can't succeed as an absentee farmer in this industry. And that's why you see we have a lot of challenges in agricultural sector. Some people will go to the village. So those that are in the city, they will go to the village and get land and get someone to be managing the farm. And most of the times, it doesn't work that way. You cannot succeed as an absentee farmer if you don't have enough capital to invest in agriculture. Oh, Reverend Shola Adebawo, thank you for joining. So we're looking at what you need to put in place before you go into agriculture. But let me quickly do justice to this three words. Is a common word that a lot of people don't really take note of. The meaning of farming, agriculture, and agribusiness. The meaning of farming, agriculture, and agribusiness. You see, if you want to do farming, Yes, if you want to do farming like our forefathers, or if you want to do be like our forefathers, some of our forefathers did not really get it right. And if you want to be like them, then you can do farming. That means doing it the old way. But if you want to do it in this 21st century, then you can do agriculture. Now, agriculture is uh, is is wide. Agriculture is wide. If you want to go into agriculture, we have livestock agriculture, we have crop farming, we have crop agriculture. Some people do crop production, while some people do livestock, and then some people do cash crop. Now, but agribusiness. If you look at the word agribusiness, what is agribusiness? Agribusiness is the combination of agriculture and the business of agriculture, and the business of agriculture. And that is where the money is. Yes, you can venture or serve as an agriculturist and also an agripreneur. And how do I mean? You can do invest in agriculture and also be at the end, the agribusiness end, where you market or you add value to what you produce, and then that is where you make more money. It is in adding value that you make more money in agriculture. So before you go into agriculture, you need to ask yourself, now, am I ready for this thing? Because agriculture is demanding. Agribusiness is even very demanding. It is something that, like I mentioned earlier, if you want to do farming, then you can do it, yes, but don't do absentee farming. You cannot be absent from your farm and expect to get the best result if you don't have enough capital to do intensive farming, or what I call um, sustainable agriculture, where you have a mechanized system that is structured, that is monitored. So if you don't have money to start that way, then do not do absentee farming. Please, you can't afford to lose your hard-earned money, because a lot of people are losing money. A lot of people. In fact, I have a client that lost about 23 million. Yes, 23 million naira in livestock. So please, before you go into agriculture, sit down, or into farming or into agribusiness, sit down and ask yourself, can I do this? Is this something that I have passion for? If it is something that you have passion for, then you can definitely do it. But if it is something that you can also set up and look for a manager to manage it, it is very, very possible. But like I mentioned on this show, I'll be coming up with a lot of resourceful people that I will be. In fact, I'll be coming up with a lot of experts, a lot of stakeholders, a lot of farmers that they will be sharing some things with us. So I don't want you to miss every episode of this program. This is just the test run of the program, and we hope to launch out. We hope to launch out. Oh my God! Oh my God! Okay, so I want to encourage you to please do not miss every episode of this program. Stay connected every Tuesday between 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. West African time. It's going to be very, very educative, very interesting. Like I said, that we'll be connecting with a lot of experts, farmers, and stakeholders. And then also we plan to show you how to get buyers for farmers or existing agriculturists, how you can get both local and foreign profitable buyers that can buy your produce or your products. Thank you, and I want to appreciate you and say, till I come your way next time, remain agriculturally investment minded. Thank you. Bye bye.